Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to get cursor back on the screen if your touchpad stopped working. So fortunately, this laptop has a touch screen, which will make the process a lot more easier. First, open the start menu by clicking right here and go to Settings. Open Bluetooth and Devices, and scroll down and select Touchpad, and if your touchpad is disabled, you'll have to switch this toggle to the right and then check if your touchpad is working. And if it is, then that's all for you. But if it's not, then the other way to make it work is to open the Start menu, start looking for Device Manager, open it, then open Human and Interface Devices, or rather expand it, find and select Touchpad, double click Touchpad, go to Driver and select Disable Device. Click Yes, and after a few seconds, enable the device once again. And then check if your touchpad is working. And if it's still not, then click Uninstall Device and confirm. Now, once the device is uninstalled, let's reboot our PC. And now wait until your device is restarted. And once it's restarted, try to use your touchpad once again. And right now it should start working properly. And if it's still not, then contact the customer support service by Dell, or maybe reach out to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.